What is up, you guys? It's your girl TechWithNath, and today we're back with another video. Whoop, whoop. If you are new here, hey sis or hey bro, over here we drop the business tea for free. You already know. And today, you guys, we are gonna be making a phone case 2025 edition. Okay, so stay tuned. I'll be sublimating a phone case, taking you guys step by step on how to actually create a phone case. Okay. Hey guys, the first thing I always do is turn on my heat press. Let's turn this baby on. It is heating up, and if you don't know the exact heat temperature, I'll leave it down in the description box below. I do have my advanced sublimation phone case course down below as well, so if you want to check that out. But while that heat up, let's go on our computer and get this baby printed out. Alright, so she bought a iPhone 16. I already downloaded the picture and everything. So we're about to go into Photoshop to measure it out and print it out. So this is Photoshop. Here you can see here like I have some measurements already. But here I'm gonna type in the exact measurements it is for an iPhone 16. And I'm about to show you guys how I measure my phone cases. This is the iPhone 16 blank glass. So I'm gonna use this measure app on my phone. If you have an iPhone, it's built into your iPhone. So we're gonna use this measure app, and it literally does it for you. See how it perfectly made that square? So it's measuring 6 inches by 3 inches, 6 inches length, 3 inches width. So we're gonna plug that into Photoshop. I like to do like add on like 0.2 to the actual measurement, so I'll do 3.2 inches and then 6.2 inches for the height, and then we're gonna press create. So that's how it's looking. Let me zoom out a little bit. So that's how it's looking, and we have the picture right over here. So we have the picture in here now. I'm just gonna stretch it out so that it forms the size, so that is the correct size. And of course some of these pictures up here is gonna get cut out by the phone camera. To make it exact, you can hold down shift and just resize it. Alright, so this is how it's looking before we print it out. So we're gonna hit Command P, and then it brings up a print dialog box. So Epson ET3710 is what I use. And if you want to see the video on how I converted this printer into a sublimation printer, you can click the link right above here. But it's also in my advanced sublimation phone case course. That's also linked in the description. So I like to just click on print settings and make sure it's the color matching is to the sublimation profile that I downloaded. All of these details is in my course, of course. And then I want to do paper matte and best quality. So save that, and then alright, so that's printed out. You're probably wondering why my printer is down here. It's because I got a new printer. I'm not going to show you guys right now because it's kind of messy, but yeah, I got an inkjet printer because I wanted to make some stickers and stuff. So a video on that is coming soon. But let's wait for this baby to print out. So this is how it imprinted out. Of course, you know with sublimation it looks faded until it's heat pressed. So let's cut this out and get this on the phone case. Alright, y'all, so this is the old one we had. As you can see, it is too big, and this is the new one we just printed. It is much more better. Less of her face and anything gets cut off. So let's put some tape on this now. And I love this cute tape dispenser. It's linked in the description box below, where it cuts off your tape for you and it comes out nice and ready for you to use. So let's put some tape on here. Alright, so we have it nice and taped up, ready to go. So I'm gonna grab this and we're gonna head over to our heat press, which is all warmed out. So I'm gonna place this in here, underneath here. Put some more in the center, and we're just gonna push down. And that's gonna go for 150 seconds. Like I said before, if you want the exact temperature and time, I'm gonna have it in the description box for you, and I also have my advanced sublimation phone case course down below. Alright, so it is beeping, so it is all done. Let's lift it up. Alright, so this is how it looks. Super cute, super glossy. I love the glass phone cases because they're so cute. I'm gonna let it cool down for some time so I don't burn myself. I'm gonna get this off the paper and put it on the phone case. Alright, you guys, so this is how the phone case looks. So I just felt to put the glass on top of the actual phone case and we'll be good to go. Alright, y'all, I already took off this yellow paper. It's like a yellow sticky protectant paper. So this right now is sticky. So I'm about to place the phone case on here. Press it in a bit, and as you guys can see, it is finished. Super cute. So let's go get our phone box for this and package this order. Alright, so this is my custom phone case box. This is how it looks. Super cute. So let's put this phone case in here now. I'm doing this with one hand because I'm holding the camera. And this is how it looks. Super duper cute. Alright, so let's fill this box for this order. Looks. There's the phone case in there. I like to turn it this way so they can see the design. I have the billboard and then it's like, oh my god, isn't that nice? Yeah. And then let me get my promotional stuff to put in here. I just realized my thank you cards are finished, so I'm just gonna put my business card in here and some free stickers. And then we can package this up. I'll be good to go. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching your girl video. Was that easy or not? Like, it is so simple. Like, y'all be overthinking it, period. But make sure to check out the description box below of all the supplies that I use. It's definitely in the description box below. And I also have my advanced sublimation phone case course below as well. I'll link it for you guys. I might give you guys a little promo code to get it a little cheaper than how it is right now. But make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know what other video ideas you guys want to see. I'll see you guys in another video. Make sure to subscribe. Okay, bye.